guys, welcome back to bhollisbrand. Today I'll be showing you how I'm preparing my leather insoles and cementing the shanks down, or not cementing my shanks down. I've done that already and I forgot to record it, you guys. So I would just be snapping a little clip up to let you see how those look later in the video. So what I'm doing is trying to get my insole to the shape of the shoe last on the bottom. I'm cutting it down and skiving it and using a sandpaper to shave it down very well. So once I start to burnish and dye my insole, it will be smooth around the edges and it will fit to the bottom of the last. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video. Like, share, and subscribe.